know you can look at people with your eyes and see their outside, or you can look at people with your heart and see their inside. Well, Uncle Dave, can you sing that? Yes, I can sing it. Look with your heart and you will see everyone's the same inside, just like you and me. Look with your heart and you will find there's a part of everyone that's generous and kind. Look with your heart and you'll be surprised. You'll see much clearer than you can with your eyes. Look with your heart, and when you do, other folks will see your heart when they look at you. Yeah, Mooey, when you look with your heart, you really see the true person inside. Well, Uncle Dave, I'm going to look with my heart. Yeah, don't pay so much attention to what they look on outside. They could have different kind of hair. They could be wearing different clothes. They could be a different color. It doesn't matter, because inside we're all the same. Well, I'm going to remember that. I'll look with my heart. I'm going to look with my heart too. Well, hope you enjoyed spending time with Mooey and me. And I can see your heart. I can see it too. Well, take care. Have fun and be kind. Have fun. Be kind. Bye. Bye. If you enjoyed spending time with Mooey and me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.